History and Geography, Grade 5. Topic 1. Our natural environment, planet Earth. As you can see, there is a picture of planet Earth. Let us see the continents. North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, and Australia. We also have oceans. There are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And we have the equator line. Equator is a line drawn to divide the Earth into two equal parts. Now, in order for you to understand these explanations better, it's good for you to study the previous map carefully. The large areas of land are called continents. The large areas of seas are called the oceans. The longest line of latitude is called equator. The horizontal lines on a map is called lines of latitude. The vertical lines on a map is called lines of longitude. The equator divides the Earth into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Topic 2. Our natural environment, volcanoes. The picture shows a volcano. We have magma, pipe, lava flow, crater, and volcanic cone. This is an active volcano. When a volcano erupts, magma rises through the pipe, comes out of the crater, and flows down its slopes. On cooling down, the lava solidifies to become basalt rocks. Volcanoes can become mountains or hills. The mascarene islands of Mauritius, Rodrigues, and Réunion were formed by volcanoes. The volcano erupts with a blast and lava. Ash, dust, and gas are blown up very high in the air. Tuffs are solidified ash and dust. Examples of dormant volcanoes: Trou-au-Cerf, Grand Bassin, Bassin Blanc. These examples are in Mauritius. Example of an active volcano, La Fournaise. This example is for Réunion Island. Topic 3. The main relief features of Mauritius. Let us read the picture first. Key. The symbols are mountain, range, small dormant volcanic cone, crater lake, mountain, plain, river, and village. The three main relief features in Mauritius are: the first one, the mountains; the second one, the central plateau; and the third one, the plains. Topic 4. the main relief features of Rodrigues. Let us read the picture first. Key. The symbols are mountains, hills, rivers, central ridge, sloping lands and river valleys and alluvial land, village and cavern. The three main relief features of Rodrigues are the first one, the central ridge, the second one, the plains, and the third one is the sloping lands and river valleys. Topic 5. Our natural environment. Beach and soil erosion. Beach erosion is the washing away of sand. Two causes of beach erosion. The natural cause is huge waves. The man-made cause is jetty. Soil erosion occurs when the topsoil is removed. Two causes of soil erosion. The natural cause is heavy rainfall and the man-made cause is deforestation. This means that the topsoil is removed during heavy rains or is carried away when forests are cleared. Question: what has been done to reduce soil erosion in Rodrigues? The answer is terraces have been cut down on the steep slopes for growing crops. This picture is an example of terraces in Rodrigues. Topic 6. Discovery of Mauritius and Rodrigues. Indian Ocean in the Pulse. European explorers crossed the Indian Ocean on their way to India and the East Indies for spice trade. European explorers traveled in big sailing ships. Among these European explorers, the Portuguese were the first to arrive in the Indian Ocean. Some spices are cloves, pepper, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Uses of spices. So they use spices for medicinal uses and to add flavor to food. Below we have two pictures. The first one is a big sailing ship and the second one are spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves and pepper. Topic 7. Discovery of Mauritius and Rodrigues. Here we will study centuries. Do you know how many years there are in a century? A century is a period of 100 years. This means that we have 100 years in a century. The period beginning from year 1 to year 100 is the first set of 100 years. The year 101 to year 200 is the second set of 100 years and is called the second century. The year 201 to 300 is the third century. The year 1401 to 1500 is the 15th century, and so on. In which century are we now? The answer is 21. Which centuries do these years indicate? For year 1532, the century is 16. And for year 1810, the century is 19.